Hello, today we're going to speak about how to naturally boost your testosterone levels. Testosterone is an important hormone for men's health, and a deficiency of it can cause a number of symptoms such as fatigue, muscle mass loss, and diminished libido. So, if you want to increase your testosterone levels while also improving your general health and well-being, keep watching. Testosterone is the hormone that gives males their masculinity. It promotes sex drive and muscular growth, as well as a variety of other important health advantages such as improved cardiovascular function and bone density. Testosterone also aids in the maintenance of energy levels throughout the day and night, allowing you to perform at your best at work or play. Low testosterone levels are linked to a variety of bad outcomes, including weight increase, belly fat, exhaustion, diminished libido, depression, and the list goes on. Fortunately, there are natural ways to increase testosterone levels. Tip 1: Exercise. The first step to boosting testosterone levels is regular exercise. Weightlifting and other forms of resistance exercise have been demonstrated to considerably enhance testosterone levels. Lift weights at least 3 times each week, focusing on complex movements such as squats and deadlifts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can also help with testosterone production. The goal is to maintain your workouts hard and to test your muscles. Tip 2: Diet. Another important component in testosterone production is diet. Consume a well-balanced diet high in vitamins, minerals, and good fats. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D-rich foods are very vital for testosterone synthesis. These vitamins and minerals can be found in foods such as oysters, steak, spinach, and fortified cereals. Avoid processed meals and sweets, which can cause hormonal abnormalities and lower testosterone levels. Tip 3: Sleep. Sleep is also essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of excellent sleep every night and stick to a consistent sleep schedule to boost your body's hormone production. Tip 4: Stress management. Stress can also lower testosterone levels, so finding techniques to handle stress is essential. Consider meditation, yoga, or exercise to help you manage stress and boost your testosterone levels. Tip 5: Avoid substance abuse. Addiction to drugs and alcohol can have a bad influence on testosterone levels, so avoid them if you want to maintain healthy testosterone production. Tip 6: Lose weight. Losing weight if you're overweight or obese might assist boost testosterone levels. A balanced diet and regular exercise program will help you achieve a healthy weight. Tip 7: Supplements. Finally, studies have indicated that natural supplements like ashwagandha, tongkat ali, and fenugreek can boost testosterone levels. However, before taking any supplement, consult with your doctor to check that it is safe for you and will not interfere with any drugs you are taking. Conclusion. So there you have it, 7 natural ways to boost your testosterone levels. Remember that, while these measures can be beneficial, they should not be used in place of medical therapy for illnesses associated with low testosterone levels, such as hypogonadism. If you have any worries regarding your testosterone levels, you should always consult a doctor. Lifting weights is an excellent strategy to increase testosterone levels. Lifting heavy weights with high reps causes your body to create more testosterone and growth hormone, both of which are necessary for muscular growth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness content.